Hello people, welcome back to the channel. This biker is testing his motorcycle with his friends. He notices some problems and he is stopping now to solve it. Let's see. As you can see, the biker approaches the fire and tries to put it out. This is very dangerous because a motorcycle can explode at any moment. If you find yourself in a similar situation, it's the best to move away because you can buy a new motorcycle again, but you can't your life.
Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay. You have a
My bike caught on fire.
Okay.
Guys, before we move on to one really fun clip, subscribe to the channel and like this video. It's your support for me and that will give me motivation to make better content for you. Thank you so much. Karen is in the car ahead. She tries in every way to block the biker, but it's not that easy. Let's see. This biker is in a hurry. He tries to pass between vehicles. It will not be an easy job. Let's see. This biker encounters a driver on the road who needs a help. The way he does it, it's amazing. Let's see. This biker stops at traffic light. He's very bored and starts talking to the driver next to him. That conversation turns into a very unfriendly conversation. Let's see.
Got your hands. What's up? What's up? I said, what's up? I said, so what's up? I didn't say so what. Up. What's up?
The driver is not in a good mood. He says he has a gun and we can't trust him because of bullet hole in his door.
You think you only want to carry? I don't give a f what you gotta say. I can't hear.
What is going on, everybody? Ryan Pistons here. I only have like 20% in my battery. I wasn't expecting to come to this ride at all, but here we are. So I'm not gonna be able to film a lot, but yeah, I did not know this is gonna be such a big ride.
Pay attention to the bad behavior of the bikers at intersection. One of those bikers caused a collision that annoyed a few bikers behind so much. That is why they found themselves on the brink of mass fight. Let's see.
Oh! Oh, yeah.
Annoyed by the fact that an irresponsible biker caused an accident, several bikers want to deal with him. Fortunately, a biker with a white helmet stops them from making a bigger problem.
Stat news! Oh, come on, man. You guys are ruining the fun.
Yo, look at that thing. It's hanging off the... Look at that, bro. Behind bumper protector stuff is like hanging loose. Look at... What is he doing? Oh. Yo! Yo! Brother didn't see me, man. Bro, he didn't... Yo, that was dangerous. Alles goed, ja, nee, maar niet uit, rustig aan, hè. Ja, yo.
This guy rides a motorcycle in his neighborhood. He passed this street several times. That greatly upset his neighbor, who is ready to argue. Let's see.
Huh?
What you doing?
Just riding around?
Just riding around?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the neighborhood, it ain't a racetrack, okay?
I wasn't going fast.
I heard you up and down here, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay? Do not do that. And I'm not gonna argue with you. You got that? It is not a racetrack. Drive slow. There's children that play around here. Do you want to argue?
I'm not saying anything.
Very good. That's your warning right there.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss next one, subscribe to the channel, and now enjoy this beautiful environment.